Hi, everyone. My name is Marcela Gomez from Culture Shift team. In this short video, Dr. Kanecia Zimmerman from Duke Clinical Research Institute will share information about the Recover Vital study and how it is helping researchers to explore possible treatments for long COVID symptoms. Dr. Zimmerman, thank you for being here with us. What is the Recover Vital study about, and what is your involvement?
Marcella, thank you so much for asking. So the Recover Vital study is looking at the drug Paxlovid to see if it might help people who have long COVID symptoms. Well, Paxlovid's a drug that we've used to treat people with symptoms when they have a COVID infection. And some of the leading thoughts are that if you have long COVID, maybe your body continues to have some particles of that virus. So can we treat people for a longer period of time and help to get rid of the virus as well as some of those long COVID symptoms? As part of the study, I am the principal investigator, or one of the principal investigators for the Recover Vital study. And I also oversee all of the Recover clinical trials as the leader of the Clinical Trials and Data Coordinating Center.
Why is this study important for people with long COVID and their loved ones?
This study is really important for people with long COVID because for so long we've had really no answers for long COVID. People are suffering. People are unable to get out of bed. They're unable to go to work, and a lot of it's due because of the long COVID symptoms. We also know that it's really important for people of many different backgrounds to participate in these studies because we want to see whether or not these therapies or these interventions work for everyone. And we also know that there are certain populations who've suffered a lot from COVID and who suffer from long COVID. And so we want to make sure that we're giving everyone an opportunity to potentially benefit from these treatments.
Who can join the Recover Vital study?
Yeah, so the Recover Vital study is looking at 3 different types of symptoms, looking at people who have adults who may have difficulty concentrating or difficulty thinking clearly, what we're calling kind of brain fog. Also people who might be so tired and very exhausted, have low energy, not able to get out of bed or do their normal activities. And we're also looking for people who might have kind of their heart racing or issues with their belly and nausea and vomiting, and really just things aren't quite working right with all of the systems that should work automatically in your body. Those are the people who would be eligible potentially for this trial.
Thank you. What can participants expect if they are eligible to join Recover Vital?
Yeah, so as part of Recover Vital, if you're eligible, you would be in the study for about 6 months. During that period of time, you would take the study drug or the placebo for up to 25 days. You would answer surveys about how you're feeling. You might also take some brain function tests, get some lab tests, and do some physical ability tests. And you would come into the clinic about 4 to 5 times during that entire 6-month period.
Thank you for sharing this valuable information, Dr. Zimmerman. If any of you would like more information about Recover Vital, please visit trials.recovercovid.org/vital. Thank you to all of you community leaders for your interest in advancing healthcare in your community.